kan content masalama kan lo tarlan to angin NGO Coordination Committee hruai tu te chuan ruat lok to angein voin November ni somni paria sang ni somni pathum tlai lamkhan Mizoram Assembly election sang ni somni pathum vote share hun son chungchanga Chief Election Commissioner le atho pui Election Commissioner te an mu a anin komna hian Senior Deputy Election Commissioner le Deputy Election Commissioner te an tel ani NGO Coordination Committee hi pul machuana Chairman NGO Coordination Committee le Central OMA President ni bokin ahawa ani ba ka hian Professor Malsom Liana Secretary NGO Coordination Committee le General Secretary Central OMA ni bokpa ka pul biak moya khiang te Vice President MOP le Islal Thiang Lima MZP President te antel ani NGO Coordination Committee hruai tu te hian November ni somni pathum sang ni somni pathum khan ECI how tu te kom turin New Delhi an pana November ni somni pali sang ni somni pathum khan Election Commission of India office akalin Chief Election Commissioner le Election Commissioner dangte an hu theina turin andora Chief Election Commissioner hian an deal na te chu lo pom sakin NGO Coordination Committee hruai tu te hi November ni somni pariat sang ni somni pathum thole ni klaidar thuma muturin hun hi alo siam sak ani khudon nei na soidan chuan Election Commission of India how tu tele NGO Coordination Committee hruai tu te hian inkom ho na hun thatak an neya Chief Election Commissioner chuan NGO Coordination Committee du dan le ngen na te chu he inkom ho na a Election Commissioner pakhat atel lo awangin member kima an lo soi ho wat tur thu ashil ani NGO Coordination Committee hruai tu te hian Election Commission of India hna vote share hun son chungchang an thlen konga beisen sang tak an nei thu an soya vote share hun son chungchang le ECI ho tu te mu chungchanga Mizoram mi puite kausan sang le political party te tranrualna awangin lom thu an soibok ani